Any folder you can create. Flags, you have created one. Create one more called flags2.html. In flags2 HTML you can follow. Let's again write the region. No head you can write. Then you will follow the style tag. Then you will write inside directly. ULLI you can follow, or maybe not ULLI, something else also you can follow. Section tag H1 flags. For example, if a line is centered, below you can write one section tag. Under section tag you can use ID equal to container. Inside container we can follow some division. Class equal to service. Service. Service, you can write something. Some text you can write software, marketing, something. Marketing. Then we can write for education. Now for this you need to see the multiple possibility of flags. What all you can apply. Now go to the where style block. Write the CSS for container as container. Even for body also you can write. No any gap. Margin 0px. Margin 0px. Then you can write below all. Background. First padding you can write. Padding 40-50 pixel. After that background you can write for any color, blue color. Display we can write flex. Content, justify content. Justify content is called center. Yeah, justify content center. Justify hyphen content colon center. So the division, whatever is going to come, service 1, service 2, service 3, where it will come? It will come in the middle. How much is the area you have? Usually we write text align center, but text align center also going to work like this. But in this flex case, text align center will not work. So we have to write justify content center. A start we have and end we have. A start if you say means it will start from beginning. End if you say means it will start from the last. Okay, that. Now come down below. You have call service. Call SERVIC service. Under the service, you will follow padding for service. Padding for service, you can give somewhere 2%. Margin for service, give somewhere 2%. So 2% padding, 2% margin. Now let's give, okay. Margin padding, we can give in pixel also, percentage also. Let me come in pixel. Suppose 20 pixel padding. Right here margin, suppose somewhere call 30 px. Margin also. Then after that background white color. After that font size somewhere 30 pixel. For all the service, what should happen? Justify content center and text align center. See, when we have written here the service block, under the service class, you have some text, right? We have some text. Where this text will appear? Will it appear in the center? No. You have not specified any certain width for the service. So it will take the padding and margin. And after padding, your content will be inside the middle only. If you will apply the width, then it will appear in the left side. We'll run and I will show you how it is happening. Right? Any height even we have not written. Let's keep some height for this. 300 pixel. Height 300 pixel. Once you write the service, then automatically the height of container will get increased. Something like this. So we can give somewhere, okay, padding wise is okay, margin is also okay. Height reduce little to 50. It should not consume lot of space. Something like this. So here what we have follow? We have follow call centers. Now let that to be same. Let that to be same. Okay. We can create one more container. There we will use the same class. Which class? Service class. There we can write as a start, and we can follow one more. There we can write as a end. So one place in the middle, one in the left, one in the right. Okay, come down. Check now. Anyone? Working, not working? Three people says yes, yes, yes. Let us see. Now come down, copy the same container section, paste after this, make container 2. Container 2. Container 2. Container 2. In container 2 also, container 2, we can take the copy of container, we'll paste here, we'll change the ID to container 2 and change the background to green color. Change the background of container 2 to green color. Container 2 background is a green color. Container 2 background is a green color. Right, and this is justify content flex hyphen end. Flex hyphen end. Flex hyphen end. So for the green block, the content will come from end. If you think height is more, you can reduce that. Where? In service, you can make 200. Both places will get reduced. This is left, center. This is end. So you will not write now float right. We use float right. Float right, instead of that, you can write flex end. Flex end. So it will print from the right side. See, float left, if you remember, there was a crazy feature. Software will go to the first in the right side. Marketing will become 2 and education will be 3rd. Float right will not shift your block. It will just change the order of the block. Right? It will change the order of the block. It will say not print from the left side. Whoever is first from the left become the first in the right. Okay, that's how the float left and right work. This is saying like whoever are there, be there only, will change your position, will slide your position in the right side. Okay. Okay. So now come down and again write one more section. Section 3, not section 3, container 3. Container 3 or container 3, we can write flex start. Background, you can give any other color. Orange color or any other color is fine. So for container 3, first to please modify this. Section ID as a container 3 is a copy of container 2. Copy of container 2. Okay, so container 3, we need to write in container 3, what you written? Let's start and give some other background. Container 3, let's start and give some other background. Maroon color, maroon. Something like this. Okay, working. Next, after that, we have some more thing. A space around, a space between. So let's see, a space around. Container 4. A space around will say equally a space in the left, right, top, bottom. Okay, it will give equal space. Container 4. In container 4, we can write, take the copy of container 3, change the background to sky blue, and write here space hyphen around. Space hyphen around. Space hyphen around. Space around. Space around. Check now. Where is that? Last one. Okay, I made some mistake. Here, 4 I should do, no? Equal. Total, whatever the area you have, element will get divided equally. Okay. Space around. Now we have one more called space between. Okay, space around, space between. So hope you are writing. We can keep container 5. Container 5. Let's come up. In container 5, space hyphen around is written. Anything is happening? Space between. space between, keep as a blue color, space between, I should make it a 5. Difference we have or no difference? Here is a space around, total space divided equally. And here is called between. So here and here, whatever the gap is there, that is here. This was not capitalized. Okay, even okay, padding is here. Padding 40 pixel we have written. So from top, how much we have? Same we have from the left. Same we have from the right. Maybe if number of block will increase, then it will give equal space. So increase one block here. In the last one, education 2 and 3. Education 1, education 2, education 3. What it 4 you have given? Okay. So it's called as a space around left, right, top, bottom are equal. That is a space around. Else we have to write margin. Correct, no? Yes. Calculate the equal space inside is no, that is the core concept. You don't forget that. Which one? That margin, padding, height, width, border, all you have calculated. That is called box model. That is called a box model. If anyone asks what is the box model, you can explain that all what theory we have gone through. Like calculating the space inside, calculating the space outside, calculating the space of border, correct? Including all, then after dividing the page into multiple blocks. This come under the box model. But when you are implementing the box model, you will build your logic. In this, everything is ready-made. You are not understanding how and where it and all come. Just a happening, correct? It's a happening. So how is happening? How a space is getting calculated? You are not getting idea internal. Okay, come. We have some more property. We'll see. Let me see what we have next. Next is called. Okay. Okay, some more are there. Let's get that idea. Order, grow, then some more thing. We can create another file. flex3.html, right? HTML from previous file we can copy. We can paste in this and we can modify the contents. We can keep one section, first one. And service also keep one. Main container also keep one. Adding 40, we can reduce little to 20. And justify content we can leave and we can follow something. It is organized something like this. Order. Order 1, 2, 3. Style equal to order 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so no column. You can write here justify content. Flex start and reduce the padding of this. High to make it 100 maximum. 20 padding, 30 margin is okay. Font size 30 is okay. 100 px is title is okay. Okay, so this is going to come from the beginning. Inside that, this is the 1, this is 2, this is 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We can check. It should come 1, 2, 3 as usual. It will print from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Height if you want, you can reduce to somewhere 70 is also okay. Something like this. Now software is coming first, marketing is second, and the education is 3. The flex order said like you can change the order. Education, marketing may be first, education may be second, and the software may be 3. Okay, but when we will use this, like 1, 2, 3 is coming as of now. When you do some sorting of the record, like if you click somewhere, right? Or maybe when you load the page, and based on that, for every record will have some value. Like suppose marketing have 100. Okay. Education will have 300. Software will have 50. Okay. Now based on the higher number, you want to change the position. So in that case, we can say order and then value of education 300. Correct? Or maybe low to high and high to low. Both is possible. So we can come here and we can write a style. Style equal to order colon 2. Order colon 2. Order colon 3. And here order colon 1. You can write inside order is 2. You can write here order is 3. You can write here order is 1. 1 to 3 is the actual value, but order you are giving 3 2 3 1. Now when you run it, you will see how the order is going to come. Order is changed. Order 1 is the first, 2 is the second, 3rd is the third. But actual value, education was 3rd, software was 1, marketing was 2. Inside this, you can keep this and let us hold on. Let me try whether it is coming or where it is going. It's coming in the left side because all are flex. So all the block level will convert into inline. Okay, so better let's keep outside only and write the label for this order. Let's order.
So if you write for H1 also, it will come later.
But H1 also it will come.
Make important.
No, under the section for container, can you see under the section container, everything is flex. Whatever the element will come, block level, all will be as a flex and print from the beginning. So your H1 will is a block level tag, it will print from the beginning. Okay, so let's keep it flex order. Flex order. Next flex something more is there. Flex grow is look like very meaningful feature. Flex grow is like, suppose for one you have given the space. Suppose for one block you have given the space as a 30 pixel. 30 pixel. Second block you have given the width as a 40 pixel. Or maybe for first one 30, second also 30. And the fourth you want 300 pixel. So what you will do? First block 30 pixel. Second block also 30 pixel. And the third block you want 300 pixel. So 30 into how much will be 300? 30 into 10. So we have to write there flex grow 10. So it will take the value of first one, multiply by 10 will be the width of second one. That will be. Copy this, paste below again. Order you remove from here. Okay, order is okay. Let it be order. Instead of order, we have to write flex grow. This is called flex grow. Flex grow. In flex grow, here also we'll write flex hyphen grow 1. Let it be 1, software as a 1, Flex grow. This also let it be 1. 1. Flex grow. This is also 1. Next flex grow as 3. As 3. As 3. So the flex grow 3 where you have written, it should take the space of space 1 into 3. It should take the space 1 into 3. Should take the space 1 into 3. Is taking here. First one, and the third one is I think double of first and second. Grow 3, grow, okay. What is it? I'll read once. Okay. So if you give 4, then it will be equal to 1 into 1 into 4 minus 1. It's happening 1 into 4 minus 1. 1 into 3 minus 1 happen because first is already 1. Here we are giving 3. So what will happen? It will not be 1 into 3. It will be 1 into 3 minus something 1. So it will be equal to double. This 4 should be equal to triple. Let me see. 4 is equal to triple. Triple of first and second. First, second. Now it is a triple of first and second. Or is taking half. 3 times. See, another one, what is that? Shrink. What shrink says? Do not let the third flex item shrink as much as the other flex items. Okay, we can write next. We can see shrink kits have different. Shrink have different. Then copy this and paste down. Flex shrink. Flex shrink 0. Other places don't add any flex shrink. Only one place add the flex shrink. And then repeat it. There should be similar text everywhere. Software 1, software 1, software 1, or 1 can be 2, 3 also, but let it be same text. 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 4, 5, shrink. What it says? Shrink is sh, shrink, shrink. little 2. For 2 we are written string. There is no any difference. Flex string. Wait a minute. We'll add here something else. What is the meaning of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third is also similar as it is. Wait a minute. Let me see once. We have not used that property, no? Here. This should be container different. Keep container 2. Item string you have to use. Container 2 you write here. In container 2, let's go on the top. And container 1 we can copy. And the property is called align item. Instead of this content justify, you can write here called align hyphen item shrink. STRECH stretch. STRECH stretch. STRETCH. Align item stretch. And then this should be container 2. Okay. Next, any changes? No changes. What other mistake we have done? Here. No changes. Container 2. Display flex is okay. Align items. Convert into items. Align items stretch. Still no changes. Maybe some other mistake we are doing. Align items, ALIGN items, STRATCH is okay. Display flags we have added, that is also fine. Next, flex hyphen shrink, other mistake we have done. Flex SHRINK, how much? 0. Giving something? For 3, what is? Third one. Okay, 1 minute again.
I think flex grow and screen properties are related to screen size.
Related to?
Screen sizing, sir. The screen will be small, sir. I see the flex grow, sir. The 4 will grow more than 1, sir. I mean, expand it, sir.
4.
Yes, sir. If you horizontal, no, sir. Flex grow is there, sir. Yeah. If we pull the screen to the left, means 4 will grow more than 1, sir. See, sir, 4 is growing more than 1.
This is for grow.
Yes,
We are under the shrink. In shrink, all are similar.
Sir. Shrink is reverse to growth, right? And we are shrinking, the speed of shrinking be more.
The style equal to shrink colon 0. Colon 0 is here given. For third one, what is happening? Width is this much. Okay, hold on. In the service class, width have written anywhere. Okay, so if I'll add here width property, let's suppose 200 pixel. 200 pixel, then now it will come. Width was not there, and you see other are going here there, but the 200 remain same. If a screen will be bigger, this all will have more space, but where you have added the shrink 0, that will not shrink. It will remain same. Width you can apply. Give some 200, reflect will come. What else we have? Base. Set the initial length of the thought flex item to 200 pixel. Hmm. Okay, clear. Come now. Another one we can write. Three, four, five remain same. Only the third will be shrink. Third will be fixed. Remaining other will increase and decrease. Okay. Copy and paste again. For the shrink base, not shrink base, flex basis. Flex basis. Basis, BSIS. Container 3 you can make. In that it's called shrink basic flex BASIS basis 300 px. So when you run the page, okay, when you run the page, the initial width will be 300 pixel. When you run the page, initial width will be 300 pixel. It will reduce, but it will not increase. Okay, it will reduce, but it will not increase. Let me see that. Okay, third one we have not created, no? Container 3, container 2, container 3, container 3 was not required. Based on container 2 also we can manage. Change to red color, change background color. Container. It says the initial width for basis will be what you have given. If you are reducing that, it is ready to reduce. But if you are increasing, it will not increase more than 300. It will not increase more than 300. Write the 3, container 3, then we'll come to HTML. To 300 I have written. We can write to 250. Come down. 300 I have written. 250 I'll write. Then we'll get more idea. 250. Initial is 250, correct?
Yeah.
300 was there, I made 250. When we are reducing that, it will get reduced. But when we are increasing that, maximum it will be up to 250. I'll delete one, then we'll get more space. You can see there is a space here. Maximum will be 250. If I am coming down slowly, according to time, it will manage. It will come down, but it will not go more than that is all like in the max width. It's like the max width. Maximum width will be this much. More than that,
If we give second item only 15 seconds, how much the screen will be? It's only 20 seconds.
Which one? Second one.
Yeah, now it is 250 now, sir.
Mm-hmm.
If we give only 50 means screen enlarge also it will be only 50.
One place we are written 200.
Let's give 50.
100 I'll give. Small. Less than that is possible. More than that, it will not go. So for this, no theory, we need to remember single lines. Single line theory is required. Okay, what happened in the basis, what happened in the row, what happened in the string, what happened in the, you can say, flex start, flex end, flex center, justify content center, justify basis, space between, space around. Single line theory you have to remember. And then we can answer someone. You want to see one assignment? One company has given assignment to candidates. Someone have asked me to help. That is expectation of market, even for freshers. There is that. This is based on backend. Data has to come from the backend, and how it should display like this. If you select the senior manager, under him how many people are working, all should display. Under him how many people are working, that should display. Under him how many are display, under him how many are display. This is the line. See, getting the data, arranging the data is okay. This structure will be, we need to write this structure. Okay, we need to write this structure. This is the homework for fresher. And this is not only designed like this and sent. Here is the requirement. ID, name, designation, team, manager, fetch from the API from this URL. After that, create a page where on the left, so the list of employee, pull an API endpoint for each employee. So the name, designation, team of the list. The list should have a search box to type and jump to the an employee by any of the properties, as well as drop down saying like display the name of the employees. Search box will be there. When you type the name, suggestion will come. Once you select the name, it should go to the some other page. In the other page, right hand side, once you select any name from the left side, then on the right hand side screen, based on the entire list of employees, generate a tree like chart similar to this. In search box, you type something, some name will come, click on that. Then in the right hand side, this structure has to appear. Package I have not asked, which is the company. I don't know. TCS or some other company. Which company is that? Company. Salary. Oh, I should not ask it. Else he will ask, you are from there only, you don't know which company is that. She has forwarded to. Okay, come next then. What else we have?
There is that an interview assignment question.
Assignment. Still company they have not seen the profile of any students.
Oh, okay, yes.
Still the company have not seen how many people who and all are, what is the education. They have not seen, and they have given a task to info campus forward to everyone. And after completion, give my email ID, they should forward to me after completion. Company has given here, or maybe she has sent the list of the candidate. On their email ID, this assignment has gone. No one has called, who are you, where are you? Just do this first. And after doing, we'll see the output. Based on output, we'll talk. It's like it's a complete project itself. For that, they have to set up a backend, store the data in proper organized format. After that, set up a React project. In that React project, apply the search functionality. First fetch the data, then make a search functionality. When you type any name, based on that, suggestion will come. Select the name. Once you select any name, then in the right hand side, based on which you have selected, their details should come. And in each network, how many employees are there, that should come like this. Okay. That is possible. That is possible. We can do it, but lining and all will be little problem. Lining. Okay. Lining will be problem. Okay. We can display particular name. Below to that, other implies and all. Okay, in one box we can display one big box, we can display one employee below to another third, or it's possible only, but will take some time. Okay, but it's like a complete project. Complete project, a small mini project, full project. HR wanted to know under the company owner wanted to know under the particular who and all are working. So he will just go and type the name and click the name. He'll come to know, hey, under you, he is Ganesh is working. He will say yes, give me his report.
So you can employ data.
Employee database only. Okay. Based on that, many things is possible. Okay, we have one more very good that is called align self. Align self property have one. Great insert. Okay, so we can implement that also. Let's, it's called as a self-align. Align self. You can copy this section, paste below again. And you can write here called align self. Align self. Align self property. align self, align self, SELF, colon, center. Center. We have to give the height for all the, for height, we need to give height is for the main container. Height is written from main container. Same tree color. It is like which one? Remember, same exactly the website. Yes. Let's स्ट्रिंग होगा हर देखो नंबर 2 देखो वो स्ट्रिंग हो गया वो इंक्रीज कर सकते वो इंक्रीज कर सकते देखो 2 रुपए 3 4 1 4 2 तो वही कर दो तो दे मैक्स में दिया ओके 3 4 ऑटो जा रहा है मींस फ्लो हो रहा है 2 तो रुपए एक एक जगह पे कर दे लिमिट दे सकते हैं इसका लिमिट हो गया नहीं जगह देना चाहता हूँ इसका नहीं वो है सबको ऐसे ही दिख रहा है Okay, you are it. Anything is happening? Nothing is happening. This is called 3, no? We can keep as a 4, container 4, and let's go up. In container 4, you can add something like this. Container 4, you can add here container 4. Will be everything is like this. Stretch is also there. Stretch is not there. Okay. Remove that. Flex is there. Background keep as a orange color. Then height we need to add. Height of this maybe 300. Per container, give the height. Container 4, you give the height. Yeah, we can see the output.
If the height is more means they are again in center.
Vertically, yeah. That is called self-aligned center. Increase little more, then it will be much clear. 400. Now it will be in the middle. Add this container 4. Add the container 4. And after that, add the container 4 after that. Come to the HTML. In HTML, align self center for 2. So where it is coming? Exact in the middle. If you increase the height of this one, which one? Service. Then service will be bigger height and this will be exact in the middle. You can write like this. It's a class. You can call one more class. BIG. 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 For BIG, you can write height 300 or maybe 250. 300 you can write the height for BIG. Please wrote some CSS for that. Height how much? 300 you can write height. Or big write height 300. Then it should be something like this. All become bigger.
But if you remove the weight from
It will fit. So big we have called everywhere.
Yes.
Big if you remove from the 2, then it is center. Now using normal CSS, how you will bring in the middle? Margin top, margin top, margin top. Correct. Okay, that is the difference between old people and new people. The people who are now also live after 100 years of time. Okay, compared to them health, their health, and compared to our health, there is a very difference. In morning, if we come out without jacket, tomorrow will feel fever. Okay, but they will go without anything anywhere, they will not have problem. Body like is a part of the stone.
They will not get injuries.
Okay. The product in villages, sorry, the food item in villages, people throw. The food item in villages, people throw and eat buffaloes, they'll give to buffaloes. Those food items in the market is like as a medicine. You tell me which one? You know the flexi seeds? Flexi seeds? Go to my hometown. We have every year 50 plus quintal of flexi seeds. No one will eat. Just sell like that. In market, go 600 rupees here only. Next to our building, 600 rupees kg. Okay. I was not aware of flexi seeds means same thing what we have in hometown. Okay, then I went to the shop, I asked flexi seed, is it available? I can ask my brother to send 10 kg from home. Okay, the pumpkin seeds, no? Right? The pumpkin seeds, like it's like the medicine. In villages, we have a lot of vegetable, this thing, agriculture. So there, some pumpkin will be old in the field itself. No one will see, right? And once you break that, you will get half kg of seeds. Okay. It there only it will destroy, right? No importance of that. But here in market, that's medicine. Okay.